Here's how to fix your iPhone camera if it's stuck on a black screen. Now, if you open up the camera and it is completely black like that, you can always fix it by first just swiping up and exiting out of that app. And we'll try a different app. For instance, in this case, let's open up Snapchat and see if the camera app works in a different option. So in the camera app, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever you want, just try a different app. If that still doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is heading into your settings, tapping on general here, scrolling down to the very bottom and hitting shutdown. Or you can hit the volume up and side button and then swipe to shut down your phone. So just shut it down and restart it. If any of those still don't work, again, go into your settings and tap on general here. Scroll down to the bottom and hit the transfer or reset iPhone. From here, we're going to hit on reset and reset all your settings back to factory default. Just enter the passcode for your phone, and this will bring all of the settings, including your camera settings, back to factory default. If it's still not working, make sure there's not a physical obstruction behind the camera, maybe from your case or something like that. And if it's still not working, maybe take it into Apple so they'll plug it in, run some diagnostics, and see if it's a hardware issue with your cameras themselves.